Good?
On the block.
Good?
I'm good.
Why are you wearing my helmet?
I stole it from Tom. I believe in safety. Tom does not.
I just want to make this very clear. I believe in safety, but I also believe in making sure my friends are safe. You look good, kid. Pouring rain today. Not a fan of rain, but at the same time, it's beautiful outside. It's, 48, 50 degrees, and it's the end of January, and all you guys telling me the New York winters suck, I will say it one more time. New York winters are absolutely amazing if this is what a New York winter looks like. I mean, I'd rather not get soaked, but it is supposed to brighten up later today. Guys, thank you as always for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you so much. If you're not already, oh my, wow. Look at how deep, I just stepped all the way in this puddle and my feet are soaked. Which way are we going? Joe, did you lose your camera as soon as you bought it?
Within 20 minutes.
Joe lost his $400 camera within 20 minutes of buying it. So we are getting Joe another $400 camera. If you guys found a brand new camera inside of its packaging on the West Side Highway, just do me a favor and message Joe thank you on Instagram, because it was 100% his. Did you get it?
Nope. Sold out. They don't have any more. All they have is the GoPro Max.
Well, I mean, if you guys see a brand new $400 camera lying on the West Side Highway, as I said,
please try and get it back to me. That would be amazing. Or just write me a thank you note. That would be sweet too.
For Jeffrey.
Yeah.
You see this building?
Yes.
Favorite building in New York. I'm gonna get 58th story. It's 6,200 square feet. It's only $23.5 million. That is what I call amazing value for money.
We're gonna pass by the Flatiron Building and going up toward the Empire State Building.
So just fair warning, I'm not really sure what happened with the camera here. I don't know if it was because it was pouring rain outside, or maybe I hit some setting on the side of my camera by accident while I was carrying it. But the video looks a little dark and a little grainy, so for that, I am very sorry. Hey, good. Can I just grab a size 12 of this?
Yeah, no problem. Has strings to catch out, bring home. I'm sorry, excuse me.
Well, I didn't know that these came out today. Walked into a Foot Locker. Apparently these came out today. This is the thing with Yeezys, there's just so many. I don't know what these are called. I walked in, I saw them. I'm guessing it's a new pair of shoes, like a new colorway. They could honestly be the Cloud Whites because they look that similar to the Cloud Whites. Give me a minute. I'm gonna pull up my phone, figure out what the heck these are called, and then we can talk about them. Okay, so I did some research, and this is another one that starts with a Y that I can't pronounce. So we're just gonna call them the ones that look like the Cloud Whites. I mean, like, Yeeshayal? I don't know what these are called at this point anymore. It's pouring rain outside. The box is getting soaked, which is probably not good for any future value that this might hold. This box is going to be absolutely destroyed by the time I get home. I saw these in a glass case at Foot Locker. I literally just walked into Foot Locker because I was by a Foot Locker, and then I was like, oh, apparently there's a new Yeezy that came out today. And like, come on, tell me if I'm wrong, but these look exactly like the Cloud Whites. They look exactly like the Statics. I'm not knocking it. Like, this by itself is a very nice pair of shoes. I like it, I would wear it, I like the colors, I like how the bottom is yellowed a little bit. I think that is a cool touch, but they look exactly like two other pairs of shoes that we've already seen from Adidas in the past year. This box is getting absolutely soaked. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to like blow dry this at home. I don't own a blow dryer. I'm just gonna have to regular dry it. This sucks. That being said though, you know, I think it's a cool pair of shoes. I don't know what to say about it. As far as I understand, there's a reflective version. I asked one of the employees about these, and he's like, I don't know, man. They just, you know, keep putting them out. And I was like, you can say that again. They 100% do. And he said there was reflective ones too. These aren't the reflective ones. These are the regular ones. I don't know if these resell for anything, judging by the amount of pairs they had at Foot Locker. I would guess that these resell for nothing, but I'm happy to buy them for retail. If I don't want them, I'll put them in a mystery box. If I don't put them in a mystery box, I'll sell them for retail. If I don't sell them for retail, I can freaking go back to Foot Locker and return them. This box is getting softer and softer by the minute. Let's cover it up with the Foot Locker bag. By the way, every time I say bag, B-A-G, I get so badly roasted in the comment section for my Canadian accent, saying bag and tomorrow and warm and sorry. I'm saying it normally as far as I'm concerned. You guys are probably gonna make fun of how I say normal now too. Okay, it's pouring rain. Let's fast forward to when it's no longer pouring rain. These shoes are nice, but I'd rather be out on a boosted board in a sunny afternoon instead of sitting in Bryant Park getting absolutely soaked. Okay. Oh my goodness.
That's good. Wow,
that was hot. I almost died because you can't get the whipped cream out if you take the lid. How are you gonna get the whipped cream if you drink it with? It's still hot if you drink it with the lid. We stopped at Godiva because Godiva has a cafe in New York apparently. This is some of the best hot chocolate I've ever had in my life.
Filming. Safety first, Tom. Safety first.
I know I've said this like 700 times before. I still can't get over the fact that it is January 23rd and it's 51 degrees outside and I'm wearing a hoodie. I freaking love New York winters. I don't know how all you guys are complaining about how bad New York winters are, and here it's 51 degrees.
I mean,
soft. Soft. Sunset, New York, West Side Highway, boosted board, beautiful weather. I love this place. That when I was outside in Bryant Park, the lighting was absolutely atrocious. Well, not even the lighting, just the camera was absolutely atrocious. The lighting is probably worse in my apartment at the moment, but this is a closer look at them. You're not missing anything. It's the Static, it's the Cloud White, it has a yellow bottom. I mean, it's a good pair of shoes. If you don't have a pair of Yeezys, you can buy it. But besides that, Kanye, you know there's more colors than gray, brown, and beige, right? Because at this point, I'm genuinely curious if you do.